all day.
Yeah, all day long.
What's going on, guys? Well, we're back here at the Paul Cuffaro farm, and this joint, and we got Ryan. But anyway, so we're here at the Paul Cuffaro farm, and I'm trying to be kind of quiet because I don't want anybody to hear this. But this place is like a kingdom, like a true and honest kingdom. And what better to go inside of a kingdom than a lord? And what better thing for a lord to have than a lady? So I'm gonna be surprising Paul Cuffaro and Finatic with something today that's going to be epic. Today, we are going to be making Paul an official lord. He will be forever known as Lord Paul Cuffaro, along with his sidekick, Lady Finatic. I'm just kidding, but we are going to be surprising Brenton with a lordship as well. Legally, they will be able to use things like the title Lord Brenton and Lord Paul on the official documentation. They can literally change their salutation from Mr. to Lord. So in order to get this lordship, basically what you have to do is own at least 1 square foot of land in the motherland of Scotland. In case you don't know, my name is actually Barry. I'm hailed from the great motherland of Scotland, and if you did not see the last Finatic video, he actually summons me here from the motherland to murder Bobby. Brenton, I'm the great Barry McCook. I've been summoned here as a great American goose hunter to execute Bobby.
Holy sh**. Okay then, let me grab this thing. Oh, okay. Let's go.
We're here in the great American wilderness, and my name's Barry McCook. I've been summoned here to murder Bobby. I'm tired of him attacking my friend Brenton here, so we're gonna take this bolt, we're gonna load it right up into a nice crossbow, we're gonna fire it right up his ass.
19 degrees to the west, 4 clicks to the south. Oh, she's in the open.
Boy, that really tends my crank. As soon as you have a clear shot, go ahead and take it.
Bobby came to us one cold winter night in the middle of July. It was about 3:30 in the morning when he was unloaded from the back of the truck, and we just loved him. Not really, because he was a piece of shit. And it's taken us a long time to come to terms with the fact that it was time for him to die. And today we made that happen. So today, on January... Are you putting this out today?
Yep.
So today, on January the 18th at approximately 5:30 p.m., we're laying little Bobby to rest, and he's gonna go fly with the angels. But before he does, we should rip one wing off so he flies around in circles.
That's it, that's it.
We took care of that greatly, but with me I brought 1 square foot of Scotland land. We're gonna give it to Paul and Brenton today and make them lords. All right, guys, well, we're here because we gotta pick up some frames, really, for these gifts for Paul Cuffaro and Finatic. Perfect. All right, let's grab a couple of gift bags and some tissue paper and we'll get out of here. So I'm gonna get a gray one and another gray one, and then I need some white tissue paper. Taking a break to have Brenton go swimming, so.
Can't be that bad.
Is it cold?
It's definitely not warm. It's definitely not warm. I can confirm it's not warm.
Oh, sorry.
Here we go. Ready?
Yes. Do you know how great it would be if that guard just bit him? We have wild Brenton Zeckley here, who is about to wrangle a very largemouth carpet croaker. Wow.
Bro, that is the chillest fish ever. That thing is massive. Dude, like, just to put this in perspective, grown men chase their entire life to catch a fish like that. I was just swimming with one and holding it.
All right, guys, so we talked about this earlier. I went ahead and picked up some gift bags, went and got all of everything we need to surprise Brenton and Paul. So we're gonna go out here and get them surprised right now. This is a very special occasion, and I know that these guys don't know what this is, but it doesn't look like a whole lot other than I did a pretty good job, right? I mean, but this is extremely important. You guys have done a lot for me from a YouTube perspective. So this is a very sentimental thing, but I want you to know it's really important.
I don't like.
Shut up, Brenton.
Just ruining the whole cinematic theme.
I'm just kidding. So I'm gonna give you yours first, okay?
You know this one's mine.
And I'm gonna give you yours now, and I hope you guys enjoy.
What?
That says my name on it, alright.
What I have done is I've purchased you a piece of land in Scotland. And with that piece of land, a proclamation has been provided that actually turns you into a lord. You are now legally allowed to go by Lord Paul Cuffaro.
Lord Brenton Zeckley. Dude, we're lords now?
Do you understand what you have just done?
You are now Lord Paul Cuffaro. There's a plot number. You can actually go look this up, right? This number right here. It's just, it's only 1 square foot. But the nice thing.
Really, bro? You couldn't even got us an acre?
Wait, so I'm just kidding. So we own land in Scotland.
You own land in Scotland. Here's the deal. It also comes with a couple of things. Number one is that they plant a tree on your behalf in the land, like the plot of land that you have, right? To restore nature.
Land and a tree.
You have a land and a tree.
Nature in Scotland.
In Scotland. So you literally own land in Scotland.
Pleasure doing business.
Yes.
I appreciate it.
We are officially lords.
You are.
Lord Paul Cuffaro signing out. Get a hammer and nail right now.
In the 68th year of the reign of our sovereign Lady Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, of the United Kingdom of Great Britain and North Ireland, it is official. Lord Paul Cuffaro is now going to hang his proclamation.
I think it fits real nice right here.
Like, I have a spot on the wall next to the 1 million subscriber plaque. Like, that's, I mean, but seriously, you are a lord now.
Thank you, Scotland. Thank you, Chris. Shout out to the Scotland peeps out there.
Absolutely.
Oh.
Like, honestly, how does it feel to be a lord?
You know, got a lot of responsibility now. I need to go on Google Maps and make my name official.
Absolutely.
And Brenton, if you do that without me, I'm gonna take this hammer.
All right, buddy. Lord Paul Cuffaro, you are now official on Google Maps. If you go to Google Maps and just simply search for Estate of Lord Paul Cuffaro, there you are. See?
Fair enough. You should have made him princess.
I'm telling you.
They had that option.
They did.
They did.
You
Hey.
should have made him princess.
It was an extra $20.
Think this kid looks like a lord? Look at him.
He's literally curling his hair.
Yes, look at him.
Lady Brenton is curling his hair.
Look at him. What are you doing, dude?
Hi, Brenton.
What is that? This versus that? It's gonna work.
This will take it all day.
Yeah?
Honestly,
All day long.
burn him. Burn him. Burn him.
Burn him!
Lord Brenton, how do you feel about being a lord?
I feel, I don't feel any different, to be honest. I really wanted the princess one. I feel like that was a lot more suiting for me.
You're an ungrateful son of a bitch. All right, guys. Well, hopefully you went on to enjoy this video. You know, I wanted to do something cool for Brenton and Paul because honestly, Paul's a really good guy. Brenton, not so much. I'm just kidding. Brenton's a good guy too. No, but seriously, I wanted to do something cool for him. It was different, right? You know, I can't bring more subscribers to them. I can't bring more views to their videos. You know, I can do nice things for people. And by far, Brenton and Paul have been a great influence as well as a great help in helping build this YouTube channel. And, you know, I just wanted to thank them with something cool. So hopefully you guys went on to enjoy that. Now, you know, this video was definitely different than my normal style of videos just simply because I'm normally normally, you know, focused on fish keeping and things like that. So this is more of a vlog style video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. If you want to see more of it, you know, comment below and let me know. If you don't, that's okay too. You can comment that as well. I want to make sure that this channel is something that you guys truly enjoy, because this channel is just as much yours as it is mine. I'm making these videos in hopes that you guys enjoy it. So if you are, make sure you drop a like, make sure you comment below, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's address a couple of things real quick before we get out of here today. Number one is the merch giveaway that was announced in the previous video. If you haven't watched that video where I surprised Paul with a new tank, I will go ahead and link a card right up here for you. You will get a chance to enter for some merchandise up there because I'm not closing that giveaway just yet. So make sure you go and watch that and enter if you haven't already. We're gonna be scaping this 300 gallon. We just put out a video of where we built this DIY sump filtration system for this 300 gallon. That is done. Tank's been cycling, water's in there, even though it doesn't matter because all that water is going to be drained, and we're going to change it anyway. So we are actually going to be scaping this tank with an amazing aquascaper. Now it will have to be virtual because of the fact of the travel restrictions and things of that nature, but we will be doing it through a video call. He's going to be giving me pointers on how to scape it, what kinds of things to pick up, all of those types of things. So it's going to take a little while to film. So don't expect that video to come out for another week or so. And that's just simply because I got to film a lot of clips while video chatting with this person. And this person is none other than the amazing aquascaper by the name of MD Fish Tanks. That's right, MD Fish Tanks. MD is a really, really cool guy. So if you guys have not subscribed to MD's channel, make sure you go and subscribe to that. In fact, go watch his latest video. I don't care which one it is. Whatever video is out currently on his channel, which I will link right up here, make sure you go comment on that video and let him know that you're looking forward to him helping scape this tank. It'd mean a lot to me. It'd mean a lot to MD as well. He's a really, really good guy, and I'm stoked at the fact that he's willing to help me in scaping this tank. He is probably one of the fastest, if not the fastest growing aquascaping / fish keeping channels on YouTube presently. So make sure you go check out that guy. I mean, amazing tank builds. And in fact, I've mentioned before in plenty of my videos how much inspiration I take from MD and his work. So go check him out. Make sure you comment and let him know how excited you are that he's going to be helping us build this amazing tank. All right, well, with all that, I'm going to stop talking. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you have not subscribed, please consider doing that before you go. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram, go ahead and do that as well. And I also have a Facebook. I haven't been really posting a lot on Facebook, but I will be soon. So if you haven't followed me on Facebook, go make sure you follow me there as well. Links to all of that are in the description, so go check it out. And with that, hey guys, I really, truly appreciate it. I am truly grateful for each and every one of you, and we will see you next time.